Hello friends, so in this video I will talk about how to install GEANT 4. So for the installing the GEANT 4 we can use C plus CLHEP library, which is also known as a C++ library for high energy physics, and then you can choose a specific version also for the GEANT 4. So you have to choose a version of CLHEP compatible with GEANT 4. So I used the version. I created an automatic install script which basically first install the prerequisites for the required for the installation of GEANT 4, and then it install a specific version of CLHEP, which basically I use 2.4.6.0, and then it uses a specific version also for the GEANT 4 which is compatible with CLHEP, which is basically version 10.7.3. So I will now launch a script. I already put the instruction in the script. I will upload this script in my drive, and you can download it. If you have any other question, you can put in the comment, and then I will tell how it will install automatically. So first I will go to the terminal, and then I will do source and install GEANT4.sh. It will automatically check prerequisites and it will install, and then will install GEANT4. So then I put the password. Now you can see it's first it start downloading everything, and it is first installing the CLHEP, and then it will also install a specific version of GEANT4, and it also in the final state, once it install the software, it also runs an example. Automatically it will run the example, so we can wait till it is installing it, and then I can continue it. So it's basically almost going to complete this installation of CLHEP. Then it will install basically GEANT4 automatically, so you don't have to do anything. Just you have to just first launch the script. Now it's doing the GEANT4 installation. So now you can see that it's download the specific version of GEANT4, and then it will basically install it. So it's basically downloading it, and then it will process everything. So now you can see that script install the GEANT4, and then it automatically run an example. It's known as the example v1. It's already compiled it and already opened the GUI. So the script basically does everything. So you can download it from my drive, and then you can basically automatically install the GEANT4. So let's see whether things are working or not. Then what we can do, we can try it to throw the beam, and then you can see. So now you can see that the events, so you can see that GEANT4 is properly installed, and you can see that the tracks are the photons, basically these are the photons. So then you can just see the weak events here, and you can also zoom in and zoom out. These all things you can do it. Okay, thank you very much.